Oh. Hey, you. What are you doing? Oh. You want something? Oh, you're so demanding. All right. You want content? I'll give you some content. Hold on. You guys are always wanting something. Well, I guess I'm going to show you a quick way to clean those little fur balls out of the back end of shoes that a lot of people pass up at thrift stores. All right, so you found some shoes at the thrift. They're in good condition, except they're full. Wrong shoe. They're full of the sock lint. A lot of people pass these up because that looks like a nightmare. And to be honest, it is. A lot of times people will try to brush it out. Old school way is to take a razor. You can't really get around because it's curved. So this is what I would suggest. And it costs between $7 and $10. I'll put a link for one in here. A fabric shaver. Oh yeah. No, it's not what you think it is. It's a fabric shaver. Just because something makes noise like that doesn't mean what it is. Anyway, I'll give you a before. Because if you look at the shoe, it's in great condition. Should be good money. I think I paid like $1.83 for this because I got it at the bins. But again, people pass it up because of the lint fuzz. All right, so I'll give you a before again, multiple times. No tricks up my sleeves. Go ahead and pull them up. Go. Like a weed eater. So how's your day going? I mean, you ain't got to, but it'd be really cool if you did.